What's going on, guys? It is Bree Blind, and I am back recording with you today. I've had some technical issues, so that is why I haven't recorded lately, but hopefully everything is fixed now. Today we are playing Hearthstone, as you can hear and see, and I think we're gonna just play some. Try ranked mode today. Go ahead and we'll play as probably Illidan, just because we're gonna see if that conceded thing happens. If the person concedes, then we'll just try Tavern Brawl if that happens. Because I'm not gonna sit here and play like 3 or 4 matches where they can keep conceding. Because that's not what people want to see, and I just don't really want to waste my time doing it. So yeah, if you like stuff like this, feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll make it either way, so it doesn't matter. But just do all those things that I just mentioned. All right.
Illidan versus the Lich King.
Will serve me in death. This ends now!
I don't remember who goes first. We'll see if it's them or me. Oh, my turn, I guess. Here we go.
One shot, one kill.
Of an archer, so we'll use that.
I have but little time. Get in there, fight, maggot!
I'll give it a shot.
Job's done.
Illidan is always so just loud and he's very high energy, I think, sometimes, and I like that about him. Okay, let's go. Let's see here.
Handle it!
I'll give it a shot.
Job's done.
I can do the same thing. I can play it. If I get coordinated strike, I can bring that out. Get Illidari to come out for me, which I might do. Alright.
Handle it!
They will never catch me.
I'll
Oh,
give it a shot.
shite. That was bad.
Sever my wrath! Did it very hard. Job done.
I lost
You're
two
good to
people thinking that was not a good idea.
The citadel stands strong! I see. My mana is too low. My mana is too low. Did it very hard. Did it very hard.
I have those Illidari, but they're not. You can't attack the opponent's hero with them, so that is the one drawback about the Illidari initiates. You can't use them to go after the hero, enemy's hero, which kind of sucks.
I have but little time.
If you unlock the clock, it's fine.
The citadel stands strong!
There we go. Let's bring you
Did it very hard.
on.
Did it very hard.
Even when you're not even playing. I win. So that's not always good. It's always good for me. Okay, guys. Well, that'll do it for this one. I will see y'all in the next one. And yeah, hope everyone enjoyed that. And all those fun things.